Nature rules, save the water. Earth is covered with water. It is a natural resource. This means that it comes from the earth. We cannot make water. Water is very important. We need it to survive. We can only live for about a week without water. Most of the water on Earth is in the oceans. It is also in rivers, lakes, and the ground. There is even water inside you. Ocean water is salt water. We cannot live on salt water. Let's leave that for fish. We need fresh water. This is found in rivers and lakes. We also get fresh water from rain. Have you had a cup of water today? You may have had the same water the dinosaurs drank. The water on Earth is used over and over again. This is called the water cycle. We can see water in 3 different ways. It is still called water when it is a liquid. This is like the water you drink. Water is called ice when it is frozen, like an ice cube. Water can also be a gas. This is called water vapor. Let's take a look at how the water cycle works. The water cycle has 3 main parts. They are evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. What do these big words mean? The sun is what makes the water cycle work. The sun is very hot. It heats up the water on Earth. When the water gets too hot, it evaporates. It turns into a gas and floats into the air. This is when it is called water vapor. Think about when you sweat. Your body is really hot. The sweat evaporates from your skin because it gets too hot. The water vapor starts to cool down in the air. All the water vapor floating around gets together. It makes clouds. This is called condensation. You can make little clouds on a cold day. When your hot breath hits the cold air, it makes clouds. That's condensation. You've seen the clouds floating around in the sky. When they get too heavy, rain falls out. This is called precipitation. Precipitation is rain, sleet, snow, or hail that falls to the ground. The kind of precipitation does not matter. It still brings the water back down to the Earth's surface. We use a lot of water. Each family uses about 400 gallons a day. That's like 400 jugs of milk. We can't make water. We need to do our part to help save water. What can we do? We can turn off the water while brushing our teeth. We can take a shower instead of a bath. Help others remember to save water too. Everything living needs water. The sun does its part to take care of the water. What will you do? That's all.